So far so good. We've come a long way in the app, all right? So what we want to do is to finalize everything we have in login and register. So what we want to do here now is we want to add a click event to this text view such that when we click it, we will go to registration page. And when we click the one on registration page, we'll come back to login page, all right? So when we do that, we know that we're done with login and register. So guys, let's just go ahead and do that, okay? So the first thing to do is to go to our login XML file, and we have to add an ID. So we need to add an ID to this text view, okay? So let me change our theme so that we can see it very well, okay? Not registered, click to register, okay? And we need to, let's increase the margin to 10, okay? So the ID, let's add an ID and set Android.id. Let's call it click to register. So we actually need to do the same thing for the one in the register page. So scroll down. Okay. So we're supposed to change the text here, all right? So let's go to our string.xml. Can call this click login and change the text. Registered already. Click to login. Okay. So now let's go back to our register layout, and we need to add an ID. Our ID will be click to login, and we change the text to come from click login, right? So, and that's that. So the next thing we need to do is to connect this to our registration and login activities respectively, okay? So we head over to our registration activity. We have to define a new text view. So in our registration activity, we need to define a new text view, all right? So let's do that. So we'll call this click to login test, okay? So let's connect it to the one we have in our design file. So we now say click to login test will be equal to test view find view by ID resource.id dot click to login. So now let's add a click event handler for this particular test view, all right? So to do that, we say click to login text dot click. So we now have a click event handler for that. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to say start activity login activity, and we're going to end this, and we're going to end this activity by saying finish. So it's so simple, guys. So in the same vein, let's go to our login activity. We need to define a new text view, all right? Call it click to register test. So let's head down here and connect it, okay? And grab a reference of it. So we can now say click to find view by ID resource.id dot click to register test, okay? So let's add a click event handler. So now we have a click event handler. So we're going to say start activity type of registration activity. So guys, I think I have a misspelling here. You guys should just pardon me. All right, so that's that. Okay, so all we just need to do is to run this and see how it looks. Okay, so our app is deploying. All right, good. So let's click here. Bam, registered already. Click to log in. So guys, this is the experience that we want to have. So when the user is not registered, he can just click to log in. And when he comes to log in and he's registered, he can just click to go back. So it's such a simple experience. So guys, we've come so far, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next class.